In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data source in Grafana 2026. Step by step. If you're new to Grafana or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will help you connect a data source so you can start building dashboards. Make sure you have access to your Grafana instance and the right permissions to add data sources. Interfaces can vary slightly between versions, but the process is the same. First, head to grafana.com and sign in to your Grafana instance. Once you're at the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the key sections of Grafana. Open the Connections area. In newer versions, this is where Grafana organizes both data sources and integrations, making it easy to see what your instance can connect to. Choose Add New Connection. This opens a catalog of available data sources. Here you'll see a wide list including popular options like Prometheus, Loki, InfluxDB, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Elasticsearch, and more. You can use the search bar to find what you need quickly, and each tile usually includes a short description so you can confirm you're picking the right one for your environment. If you're just practicing or want to verify your Grafana setup without touching production systems, the test data source is a great choice because it provides generated sample metrics and logs. Select the data source you want. For this example, choose test data so we can walk through the flow without extra configuration. After selecting it, click Add New Data Source. This takes you to the configuration page. You'll see that the data source has been added and is ready to be configured. For many real data sources, this is where you'd enter connection details like URLs, authentication, and any required headers. Give your data source a clear descriptive name so your team recognizes it later, and consider whether you want to mark it as the default for new panels. When you're ready, click Save and Test. Grafana will validate the connection and show a success message if everything is set correctly. If you run into errors, double-check your URL, credentials, and network access, and confirm that any necessary plugins are installed and enabled. That's it. You've added a data source. From here, you can start creating dashboards and panels that query this source, or open Explorer to run quick ad hoc checks. As a tip, keep your credentials secure, limit access with appropriate roles, and document connection details for your team. Thanks for watching, and happy dashboard.